So many a times we hear face toner this, toner that, toner this, to clear acne, to clear dark spots, to get rid of dirt. And most of us are actually scared of getting a product, and instead of getting outside results, we end up getting other things we didn't bargain for, like getting different more acne on our faces, having skin irritations, face burns. But hey loves, in this video I've brought to you a very good way to make a toner by yourself at home with a natural ingredient called cucumber, and you don't have to add any other thing inside. And as we all know, cucumber is actually great for skin and it's actually good for nourishment and moisturization and all that. So I'll be teaching you how to make a toner with that. So if you want to know how to make a toner with your cucumber by yourself at home and how to use and apply it on your face, you might want to stay tuned to watch this to the end. So hey guys, before I get right back into today's video, may I say hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bree, Nwanze, and if you're new here, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button, click on that like button, and may I say welcome to the family. So let's get right back into today's video.
So hey guys, we'll take a fresh healthy cucumber, clean it very well with good water. You can either peel off the cucumber or use it like that, like I did, and you cut it into smaller pieces. So while that's done, we'll take our blender and we'll put in the cucumber inside and we'll blend it up into a smooth piece, and we'll have to sieve it out to get the juice out. While that's done, we take the juice and we'll put it into our desired container so that we can use to store it. And once you put the juice inside the container, you can use this toner for about 4 to 6 days. You can just store it in the can and you put it in the refrigerator. So now that's done, let's get right back into how we can make use of this wonderful toner.
Now I've showed you how to make your cucumber face toner, I've already gone behind cam to get my face prepped and ready to use my toner. So I'll be getting my cotton roll and I'll just spray that into it, and I'll use it to clean my face. So I'll be setting up my skin moisturizer to get everything down and ready to go, and I'll just so as you can see, all clean and ready to go, and that's how you make and use your cucumber face toner. So I'll see you in my next video, and please don't forget to click on that subscribe button, click on that like button, and share the video to your friends and family who will be interested in knowing how to make and use this wonderful face toner. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.